Me Brethren, me Big Go is calling you. Advance towards me, Strong Sue. And you come over here, Small T.
Why are you calling yourself big and choose to call me small?
Okay. Let it be Big T. Advance towards me.
I'd rather be called something like T the Greatest. But Big T is just fine.
Me Brethren. Excuse me. Me faithful brethren, Indian trains from the Sam Sparky tribe, have kidnapped our sister Vera.
We shall seek revenge.
Sam Sparky the Small, the greatest warrior, has captured you. Cry out for help.
Hey, somebody, help me. Save me, please. Help me out of these boyish, stupid games. Let me do some serious stuff. For example, embroidery.
They will hear Vera's voice for sure, come to save her, and fall into my traps.
Listen, when we kidnap Vera back, they will chase us for sure, and then they will fall into our traps.
Great plan, George.
And a heavy one, too.
Vera, we have come to save you.
You've been playing for 3 days. I'm really bored. I'm going to do my embroidery.
If we want to set her free, we're gonna need her to be captured again.
Guys, I'll save you.
What happened? How could you forget where you digged your own pits? Vera, wait! We have to save you, wait! Hey, George, look, I got her! Or did they get me?
Oh, come on. How could you forget about your own traps? That's ridiculous.
Hey, boys, need any help from me?
Yes, we do. Vera, save us, please.
All right, then. I will save you. But on one condition.
I'd rather be sitting in the trap.
Vera, enough, please.
We've been playing Indians for 3 days.
I'm
You'll be
bored.
doing embroidery. It's so exciting, you guys.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.